Hello children, hope you all are safe and good. So children, in the previous class we have started learning about the introduction to algebra, right? So what are all the topics we are learnt in algebra? First of all, we are learnt about variable, right? So what does mean by variable? Variable means A, B, C, okay, up to Z, okay, that is called variable, right? And also we have learnt about patterns, right? So simply, if you are drawing, okay, if you are drawing a W, how will you draw? Okay, 1, okay, how many sticks we need to draw W? 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 4 sticks, okay, for drawing 1 W we need 4 sticks, okay. If you need to draw 4 W, okay, it is 4 into x, okay, 4x. So how will you find? 4 4s are 16, okay, 4 4s are 16, okay. If you need to draw 4 W's, we need 14 sticks. That is the thing we are learnt in patterns, okay. And then we are learnt about, so the numbers, okay. So the patterns in number operations. So how you can write the patterns in number operations? So we can write 4x, right? 4x, that is 4 into 4, it is 16, okay, it is the patterns in number operation. And also we can say the multiplicative identity, that is a into 1 equal to a, okay, that is the multiplicative identity. We can say it as the patterns in number operations, okay. And also we have learnt about the age problems, right, understanding operations on variables. So what we have learnt? So if Nila's age is n, so what is given? If Madhi's age is, Madhi is elder than Nila, okay, if Madhi is elder than Nila, what is Nila's age, okay, let us consider this Nila's age as n, and what is Madhi's age? Madhi's age is n plus 3, okay. So we can take different values, okay, different values for n, okay, if n is 7, okay, what is Madhi's age? Okay, it is Madhi, okay, it is Nila. Okay, what is Madhi's age now? 7 plus 3. So what is the answer? 10. Okay. If Nila's age is 7, Madhi's age is 10. Okay. Likewise, we can understand the operations on variables, right? And also we have learnt about changing from algebraic expressions, okay, algebraic expressions to verbal statement, and also verbal statement to algebraic statement. Likewise, we have learned, right? See, if you are having 7 plus n, how will you write? 7 more than n, okay. So if you are having 7x, how will you write? Product of 7 and x, okay. So if you are having 7 upon x, how will you write? 7 divided by divided, okay, divided by x, okay. If you are having 2 minus p, how will you write? So p minus 2, how will you write? 2 less than p, okay, 2 less than p, okay children. Likewise, we can write the algebraic expressions to verbal statements. Is it clear children? And also if the verbal statements are given, we can write it to the algebraic expression. Is it clear children? So these are all the things we are learnt in the previous class, right? So let us write the class work, okay. Take your class work note children, put today's date. Okay children, all of you take your class work notebook. Okay, put today's date. So now write this question, fourth question in your notebook. So write the heading, okay, write the heading as exercise 2.1. Okay, before that write chapter 2 algebra, okay, write chapter 2 algebra, okay. So have no space before that, okay, just write chapter 2, okay, chapter 2 algebra. Write chapter 2 in one line, and after that write algebra in the second line, okay. And after completing algebra, write exercise 2.1, write the fourth question in your notebook. Okay children. Children, read the question. Arivalagan is 30 years younger to his father. Okay, Arivalagan is 30 years younger to his father. Okay. Write Arivalagan's age in terms of his father's age. Okay. Now what we can say? Age of his father. Okay. Age of Arivalagan's father. So what is the age of Arivalagan's father? We don't know, right? So that we can assume this as X, okay? Age of Arivalagan's father equal to X, okay? And what is given? Arivalagan is 30 years younger to his father. So what is Arivalagan age? So age of Arivalagan equal to so how will you write? He is 30 years younger to his father, right? So what we can write? X minus 30. Okay, so what is his father age? X, right? So 30 years younger to his father. Okay, X minus 30. Okay, children. Now what is the age of Arivalagan? X minus 30. Okay, children. So what is the question they had asked? Write Arivalagan's age in terms of his father's age. So now what is the age of father? The father's age is X. Okay. So we have returned the variable. Now the age of Arivalagan, so how will you find? So it is 30 years younger, right? Arivalagan is 30 years younger to his father. So that father's age is X. So X minus 30. Is it clear, children? So what is the answer? X minus 30 is the answer. Copy this in your classwork notebook. Very easy, right? Simply what they had given. Arivalagan is 30 years younger to his father. Okay. Father's age is not given, so that let us take his father's age as X. So what is Arivalagan's age now? X minus 30. Okay, children. So pause the video and write. So after completing this one, let us see the 8th question. Okay. Okay, children, see the 8th question. So the teacher asked two students, okay, to write the algebraic statement for the verbal statement. Okay, so what is the verbal statement given? 8 more than a number. So how will you write 8 more than a number? See, 8 more than a number. How will you write? So we can write it as 8 plus X, right? 8 more than a number means 8 plus X. Okay, children. So see, Vetri wrote 8 plus X, but Maran wrote 8X. Who gave the correct answer? Which is the correct answer? 8 plus X is the correct answer, right? So whose answer is correct? Vetri's answer is correct. Okay, children. So now how can you write? Therefore, Vetri wrote the correct answer. Okay, Vetri gave the correct answer. Okay, children. So copy this in your notebook. Okay, you can also write solution. Okay, children, pause the video and write. See the question again. The teacher asked two students to write the algebraic statement. Okay, the teacher asked two students to write the statement, write the algebraic statement for the verbal statement. So what is the algebraic statement? What is the verbal statement given? 8 more than a number. Okay, 8 more than a number means how we can write? 8 plus X. Okay, 8 plus X. Okay, so the two students, what the two students have written? Vetri wrote 8 plus X, but Maran wrote 8X. Okay, so 8 more than X means 8 plus X is the answer. Okay, 8X means how we can write, say the verbal statement? Product of 8 into X, 8 and X. Likewise we can say. So that Maran's answer is wrong. Okay, Maran's answer is wrong. So whose answer is correct? Vetri gave the correct answer. Okay, children, pause the video and write. Okay, children, see the 9th question. Okay, answer the following questions. Second one, what is the value of S if 2S minus 6 gives 30? So we are going to find the value of S in this sum. Okay, so what is given? 2S minus 6 equal to 30 is given. Okay, we are going to find the value of this X. Yes. Okay, so how will you find the value of S? Just keep this 2s in one side, so they're all constants in another side. Okay, now 2s equal to 30. Okay, here we are having minus 6. So if you are moving this minus 6 to this side, we will get plus 6. Okay, so 2 is equal to 30 plus 6, 36. Okay, now keep s in one side and the other constant in another side. Okay, so 36. So if you are, it is in product, right? So if you are moving to this side means it will change as divide. Okay, so 36 upon 2. Okay, so what will you get as the answer? 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. So remaining 1. Okay, 8 2 is 16. Okay, children, you can also divide. Okay, if you don't know to cut this means you can also divide. Okay, how will you divide? 36 divided by 2. So how will you divide? 1 2 is 2. Okay, so 3 minus 2, it is 1. Okay, now bring down this 6. 6. Okay, now say to table. 8 2s are 16, right? 8 2s are 16. So what will you get as the answer? 0. So what is the answer? 18. So what is the value of yes? Yes equal to 18. Okay, children, we got the answer. Yes equal to 18. Okay, children, copy this in your classwork notebook. Simply what is given? We are going to find the value of yes. Okay, what is the value of yes? If 2s minus 6 gives 30. Okay, 2s minus 6 equal to 30. Okay, we need to equate this algebraic equation and we need to get the value of yes. Okay, is it clear, children? So that's all. We have completed exercise 2.1. Okay, children. So with this we have completed exercise 2.1. So the remaining we have left is your homework. Okay. So let us see exercise 2.2. Okay. So children, in exercise 2.2 we are going to see only the two sums. Okay. So let us write the second sum. Okay. So write the question of second in your notebook. Children, read the second question of exercise 2.2. A piece of wire is 12s centimeter long. Okay, 12s centimeter long. Okay, what will be the length of the side if it is formed as an equilateral triangle? So what is meant by equilateral triangle, children? So equilateral triangle means triangle having three sides. Okay, all the three sides equal. Okay, children, triangle have all the three sides equal. Okay, if it is 2 centimeter here means here also 2 centimeter, here also 2 centimeter. Okay, likewise if you are having means that is called equilateral triangle. So triangle have how many sides? 3 sides, right? So how will you find the answer for an equilateral triangle? So what is the length given? Length equal to 12 yes, okay, 12s centimeter. Okay, children. So what is the length given? The length is 12s centimeter. Okay, so we are going to find for an equilateral triangle. Okay, so how will you find equilateral triangle? How many sides an equilateral triangle have? An equilateral triangle have 3 sides. Okay, so that we are going to divide this 12s. Okay, 12s upon 3. Okay, how many sides a triangle have? 3 sides. Okay, all 3 sides are equal, right? So now we are going to divide. Okay, now it is cut. Okay, so 1 3 is 3. Say 3 table. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. Okay, 4 3s are 12. Okay, we can put 4. You can also divide. So how will you divide? 12 and 3. Okay, so 4 3s are 12. So 12 minus 12, it is 0. Okay, so what is the answer? 4 yes is the answer. Okay, children, for equilateral triangle, the piece of wire, okay, the side, okay, for each and every side we need 4s centimeter. Okay, 4s centimeter we need. Okay, for a square, how will you find? So square we know, right? Square means all the 4 sides are equal. So if it is 2 centimeter, this one is 2, this one is 2 and this one is 2, right? So if it is a square means all the 4 sides are equal. So how will you find the side of a square? So square equal to 12s upon 4. Okay, 4 sides, right? So 12s upon 4. So how will you divide? So 1 4 is 4. 3 4s are 12. Okay, 3 4s are 12. 3 yes is the answer. So if you need to divide, okay, if you don't know this means you can also divide. So how will you divide? 12 divided by 4, okay. 3 4s are 12, okay. So 12 minus 12, 0. Okay, so what is the answer? 3, yes, is the answer. Okay, children, copy this in your classwork notebook. Pause the video and write. Okay, children? Children, let us see exercise 2.2 fifth sum. Okay, read the question. Gopal is 8 years younger to Karnan. If the sum of their ages is 30, how old is Karnan? Okay, Gopal is 8 years younger to Karnan. Okay, children. So, we don't know Karnan's age, right? So that we are just taking that Karnan's age as x. Okay, we are just taking the variable x. Okay, so age of Karnan is x. Now read it again. Gopal is 8 years younger to Karnan. So how will you write Gopal's age? X minus 8. Okay, 8 years younger to Karnan, right? So x minus 8. Okay, children. So now what is Karnan's age? Karnan's age is x and Gopal's age is 8 years younger. So that x minus 8. Okay. So read the question. If the sum of their ages is 30. Okay. If the sum of their ages is 30. Okay. So if you are finding the sum for these two ages, okay, x plus x minus 8 means that is equal to 30. Okay, now we got an algebraic equation. Okay, children, now write sum of their ages. Okay, sum of their ages equal to, so what are the sum of the ages? X plus x minus 8. Okay, x plus x minus 8. Okay, so sum of the ages is given, right? It is 30. So in the next step we can write 30 equal to x plus x minus 8. Okay, children. So now say 30 x plus x. What will you get? X plus x, it is 2x. Okay, 2x minus 8. Okay, children, just keep x in one side, that is 2x in one side, and bring all the constants in another side. Okay, children, so we can get 30. Okay, here we are having minus 8. So if you are just moving this one to this side means it will be plus 8. Okay, 30 plus 8 equal to 2x. Is it clear, children? 30 plus 8 equal to 2x. Okay, so 30 plus 8, 38. Okay, we can write 30 plus 8 as 38. 38 equal to 2x. Okay, now keep x in one side and the constant in another side. Okay, so 38, okay, it is in multiplication, right? It is in product. So that 38 upon 2. Okay, if you are bringing this to this side means it will become divide. Okay, so 38 upon 2 equal to x. Now divide it, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. Okay, so remaining 1. Okay, so 9 2s are 18. So what is Karnan's age? X equal to 19. So Karnan's age is Karnan's age is 19. Okay, children. So we got the answer, that is 19. Is it clear, children? Okay, copy this in your classwork notebook. Pause the video and write. Okay. Okay, children. Let us see the objective type questions in page number 41. Okay, children. See, let us see first one, 11th question. Variable means that it. Okay, variable means that it. Okay, it can take different values, right? It can be any number. So that can take different values is the answer. Okay, children. So option C is the answer. Okay, mark option C as the answer. Okay, see the 12th one. The number of days in W weeks is, okay, the number of days in W weeks, how will you find the number of days in W weeks? Okay, so in 1 week, 7 days, right? So we can write 7W. Okay, we can write 7W is the answer. Okay, children, the number of days in W weeks equal to 7, right? So in 1 week, 7 days are there. So 7 into W is the answer. Okay, children, mark the answer as D. Okay, see the 13th one, the value of x in the circle is, okay, we need to find the value of x in this circle. So how will you find? So what are all the values given in this circle? See, we are having 2, 4. Okay, let us write that values. Okay, see, we are having, see children, we are having all these values in the circle, right? So 2, 4, 7, 11, 16. Okay, now what is the difference between this one, 2 and 4? Okay, 4 minus 2 it is 2. Okay, and 4 minus 7 it is 3. Okay, so 11 minus 7 it is 4. Okay, 11 minus 16 it will be 5, right? So if you are finding the difference between the x and 16, we need to have 6 as the difference. So what will you get as the answer? 22. Okay, 22 is the answer. Okay, children. So what is the answer? Option D is the answer. So now see here, option D is the answer. Okay, children. Okay, let us see the 14th question. The value of y in y plus 7 equal to 13. Okay, so they had given an algebraic equation y plus 7 equal to 13. Okay, so what we are having, y plus 7 equal to 13. So we need to find the value for y. Okay, now keep this y in this side, bring the 7 to the opposite sides. Okay, so 13. Okay, this plus 7, if it goes to this side means it will change the sign. Okay, minus 7. So 13 minus 7. So 13 minus 7, what will you get? 13 in the heart, 7 in the finger. Okay, 13 in the heart. 13 in the heart, 7 in the finger. 13 before, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, so what will you get? 6. Okay, we will get the answer as 6. So write 6 as the answer. Okay, so option A, 6 is the answer. Okay, children, option A, 6 is the answer. Okay, children, we see the 14th question. Yes, sorry, option B. Okay, option B. Okay, we are seeing the 14th question, right? So option B, y equal to 6 is the answer. Okay, children, so in the previous question, D is the answer. Okay, option D, 22 is the answer. In the 14th question, option B, y equal to 6 is the answer. Okay, we have find y equal to 6, right? So we have find out y equal to 6, right? So y equal to 6 is the answer. Okay, see the 15th question. 6 less to n gives 8 is represented as. Okay, 6 less to n, how will you write? N minus 6 equal to 8, right? So option A is the answer. Okay, option A, n minus 6 equal to 8. Okay, children, so mark the correct answers. Okay, so let us see the third question in our book. Okay, children, see the third question. Okay, it is in page number 40. Okay, take your book, page number 40. See the third question. Okay, draw the next two patterns and complete the table. We are going to draw the next two patterns and we are going to complete the table. Okay, children. So first of all, see in square how many, okay, in this shape how many squares? One square. Okay, so in first pattern we are having only one square. How many circle? Only one circle. How many triangles? Two triangles. Okay, so in second pattern, two squares. Okay, two circles and how many triangles? Four triangles. Okay, in third pattern, three squares. Okay, three circles and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, six triangles. Okay, children, so we need to draw the next two patterns. So how will you draw? So let us draw the patterns here. Okay, so here up to here we had drawn three. Okay, three patterns, right? So here we need to draw four patterns. Okay, so how will you draw? Okay, draw neatly. Okay, children. So see here, see how many squares are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 squares. So we can write 4 squares. So how many circles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles. Okay, we can write 4. So how many triangles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 triangles are here. Okay, write 8. Is it clear, children? Okay, let us draw the next pattern. Draw it nicely, okay. So how many squares are here? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 squares are here. How many circles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 circles are here. How many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 triangles. Okay, children. So this is the pattern, right? So likewise, draw the pattern. Okay, I didn't draw it nicely. You should draw it nicely. Okay, children, you all know to draw nicely, right? So draw it nicely and write the patterns. Okay, write the number of circles and number of triangles in this pattern. Okay, children. Okay, let us see the fifth question. Okay, see the fifth one. If u is an even number, how would you represent? Okay, if e is an even number, okay, u is an even number, okay, u is an even number, how would you represent the next even number? How would you represent the next even number? U plus 2, okay, we can write u plus 2, okay, write the answer as u plus 2. Okay, already they had said u is an even number, okay, how will you represent the next even number? U plus 2 is the next even number. Okay, children. So the next question, the previous even number, how will you write? U minus 2. Okay, u minus 2 is the previous even number. Okay, children. Is it clear? So write the answers in your book. Okay, let us see the 10th question in your book. Okay, it is in page number 41. Okay. Okay, children, see the 10th question. So k is given. So we need to find k upon 3. So 3 upon 3, what will you get? 3 upon 3, we will get 1, right? So 1 upon 1, so 1 is the answer. Okay, here 6k is 6, okay? 6 upon 3, we need to write 6 upon 3. So how will you write? 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So what we are getting here? 2, okay? The answer is 2. Here 9, k is 9. So we need to put 9 upon 3, okay? 9 upon 3. So how will you write? 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 3. Okay, children. Again here. So what is the k value? 12. Now put 12 upon 3. So now 1 3 is 3. Okay, say 3 table. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12, right? So 4. Okay, so what is the answer? 4. Okay, and here what is the k value? 15. 15 is the k value, right? So now we can put 15 upon 3. Okay, 15 upon 3. So now we can cut by using 3 table. 1 3 is 3. Again say 3 table. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. Okay, 5 3s are 15. Write 5 in the box. Okay, and then check the next one. What is k value? 18. Okay, 18 upon 3, right? 18 upon 3. Now we can cut by using 3 tables. So say 3 table. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. Okay, 6 3s are 18. Okay, just put 6. Okay, 6 is the answer. Okay, children. Now read the question again. Complete the table and find the value of k for which k upon 3 gives 5. Okay, so in which, okay, when k equal to what? We get this answer 5. Okay, so we get answer 5 when k equal to 15. Okay, children. So the answer is 15. Okay, k equal to 15. Okay, children, write the answer k equal to 15. Okay, is it clear? So copy this in your book. Okay, children, let us see the remaining sum by doing in the board. Okay. Children, see this question. 6th and 7th is your homework. Okay. And all, okay, 6th and 7th is your homework. And 9th